Il-volontarjat hemm persuni ta' aktar minn 50 sena jerġgħu jidħlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol. Dan skont riċerka mħejja minn SOS Malta taħt il-programm Lifelong Learning iffinanzjat mill-Unjoni Ewropea u li titfadal fuq is-sitwazzjoni tax-xogħol fost persuni ta' aktar minn 50 sena. F'pajjiżna aktar minn 90% tal-kumpaniji li wieġbu jemmnu li meta jħadmu persuna ta' aktar minn 50 sena din toffri iżjed esperjenza, maturità u effiċjenza. Perspettiva li però mhux dejjem tixet is-sitwazzjoni reali. Fil-fatt persuni ta' aktar minn 50 sena stqarrew li jsibuha diffiċli jidħlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol minħabba li jħossu li hemm min jikkunsidrhom bħala anzjani u għax m'għandhomx ħiliet meħtieġa bħal tarif tal-użu tal-kompjuter. Biex tineleb din l-isfida r-riċerka tirrikomanda il-bżonn tiżjed taħriġ u inċentivi għal kumpaniji. Suġġeriment partikolari kien ta' Jeffrey Fisher li fin-negozji tiegħu tal-lukandi u bejħ ta' prodotti ra li ħaddem dawn il-persuni.
I feel that they've got the experience, they've gone through life, they've gone through the trials and tribulations, and therefore they can give more. They can give more in the employment. Younger ones, yes, can come along, but I think it has to be that they work together because both you've got to have a balance.
Jistqar li f'din l-atmosfera żdiedu l-idejat.
These people I felt that they gave more. You could always rely on them. They were always very supportive in anything they did. They weren't looking at the clock and saying, oh, I've got to rush off now, because they were a different kind of generation.